A day after teasing the phone's 17 electron volts dynamic range, Vivo product manager Han Buxiao is talking about X500 Pro Max's camera stabilization in his latest Weibo post. The X500 Pro Max will feature what Vivo calls a 3-degree wide-angle, gimbal-level stabilization system on its main camera. It retains the SEPA 7.0 stabilization rating as the X300 Ultra's periscope telephoto camera. The Vivo X500 Pro models will feature a Zeiss Ultra dynamic main camera built around a custom Phantom 900 sensor, supporting 4K 240 frames per second slow motion and 4K 120 frames per second HDR video recording. Vivo has officially confirmed that its X500 series will launch in September. It will include the Vivo X500, X500 Pro, and X500 Pro Max. The upcoming Vivo X500 Pro Max is currently being tested with a BOE-made 2K display. The panel is said to measure around 6.85 inches and feature a 2.5D flat design with ultra-narrow bezels enabled by LiPo 144Hz refresh rate. The Vivo X500 Pro Max could be powered by the 2nm MediaTek Dimensity 9600 Pro chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.